You searched how to buy shares of LVMH Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton SA, a global luxury goods group trading on Euronext under the ticker MC.PA. This video briefly explains the purchase process for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example. After registering, you will normally need to verify your identity with an ID document and then add funds to the account before buying. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker MC.PA to find the LVMH listing. Make sure you select the Euronext listing to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company information and view the price chart to confirm you have the right stock. Verify the ticker MC.PA in the exchange before proceeding. Click the Investor Trade button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the market opens, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the order can be completed. After the trade is executed, your LVMH position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description for the example used in this walkthrough.